In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Bills, how to create a batch payment to pay multiple customers. 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page, click login, and enter your email and password. If you use extra security like an authentication code, complete that step as prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard, which gives you a snapshot of your business. From here, open the business menu at the top and choose Bills to Pay. This is where all your supplier bills live. To focus on what needs paying, switch to the awaiting payment view. This shows all approved bills that haven't been paid yet. Now select the bills you want to include in this batch. Take a moment to double check each one for the correct supplier amount and due date. If your organization works with different currencies, make sure the bills you're selecting match the bank account you plan to pay from. It's also a good idea to confirm supplier bank details are up to date to avoid failed payments later. With your bill selected, click Make Payment. When the payment options appear, choose Batch Payment. This tells Xero you want to pay multiple bills in one go. Click Continue to open the batch payment screen. On this screen, set your payment date. This is the date you want the payments to be recorded, and if you're using an online banking process, the date you intend to send the funds. Next, select the bank account you'll pay from. Check that the account currency and available balance make sense for this batch. Review the total at the bottom and scan the list for any unexpected amounts or duplicates. If everything looks good, click Make Payments. Xero will create payment entries for each bill in the batch. If you use bank feeds, you'll later match the actual bank transactions to these payments during reconciliation. If your workflow involves uploading a payment file to your bank, you can proceed with that process after the batch is created, following your normal banking steps. That's it. You've created a batch payment that efficiently handles multiple bills at once, saving you time and reducing manual entry. To keep things running smoothly, repeat this batching process on a regular schedule and always verify details like dates, totals, and bank accounts before confirming. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to replay any section while you follow along in your own Xero file.